Hi, welcome to Sushila Industry. Our budding company, Sushila Industry, was founded in 2023 in Faridabad, Haryana, India. We are known to manufacture and supply products like UV coating and curing machine, semi-automatic screen printing machines, automatic flame treatment machine, hot air dryer, offset UV printing machine, and more. Apart from that, we offer machining services to our clients. We have a wide range of products, as shown in the slide. A paper drying rack is a piece of equipment used in various settings, such as art studios, print shops, and paper-making facilities, to dry freshly made or printed sheets of paper. A ribbon printing machine is a specialized device designed for printing text, graphics, logos, or other designs on ribbons. A UV coating and curing machine is a piece of equipment used in the printing and finishing industry to apply a UV, ultraviolet, coating to printed materials such as paper, cardboard, labels, packaging, and other substrates. A fully automatic spray coating machine is a sophisticated industrial equipment used in various industries for applying a consistent and precise coating or finish to a wide range of materials and products. An automatic flame treatment machine is an industrial equipment used to modify the surface properties of various materials, particularly plastics, to improve their adhesion characteristics for printing, coating, or bonding processes. Industrial flame treatment machine. This high-performance equipment is designed for precision flame treatment of surfaces, enhancing adhesion and surface activation for various applications such as printing, painting, and bonding. A semi-automatic UV combo dryer machine is a specialized piece of equipment used in various printing and finishing applications to cure or dry printed materials quickly using ultraviolet, UV light. An industrial hot air dryer machine is a specialized piece of equipment used in various industries to dry or remove moisture from a wide range of materials and products. UV Analog Coat UV machine offset printing machine is a finishing technique used to enhance the appearance and durability of printed materials. A manual vacuum table is a specialized work surface commonly used in various industries for a range of applications, including screen printing, woodworking, CNC machining, and assembly work. If you have any questions or inquiries, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for choosing Sushila Industry.